In this video, we'll discuss about privileged escalation. Privilege escalation is one of the very important aspects of penetration testing. Now, while trying to penetrate our target, we might break into the system of a user who may or may not be the administrator of that particular system. If the user is not the administrator of the system, we will not have the same access rights as in the case of an admin system. So, in order to escalate our privilege so as to have the same access rights as the administrator, we follow the process of privilege escalation. Meterpreter provides us a unique command in order to help us escalate our privilege on our target machine. This system command gives us the ability to escalate our privilege on the target machine. If you view the H file of getSystem, you will see the different techniques that Meterpreter implements in order to escalate our privilege. Let us quickly understand these techniques in brief. The first technique used by Meterpreter is named pipe impersonation. A name pipe is a mechanism that enables inter-process communication for applications that occur locally or remotely. So, there can be a scene where a remote process with high security levels can behave as a local process with comparatively low security levels. Once this behavior happens, the remote process can actually have a higher privilege of access levels on the system, which equals to any local process. The second type of escalation process is token duplication. Every user on the operating system is provided with a unique token ID. This ID is used to check the permission levels of various users of the system. Now, if a user with a lower privilege is able to duplicate the token of a user of higher privilege, that lower privilege user can behave as a system administrator. The third type of privilege escalation process is KitTrap OD, or the KitTrap OD exploit that exists in almost all versions of Windows. This is a BIOS exploit which is triggered when a 16-bit application is opened on a 32-bit or 64-bit Windows architecture. So, this was a brief idea of different privilege escalation techniques that Meterpreter implements. Now, in order to execute this, we can simply type getSystem and press enter. So we got the output as got_system via Technique 1. Technique 1 is a name pipe impersonation. So Meterpreter tries all techniques that are available until we escalate our privilege equally to that of the administrator. Using getUID will now reflect that you are the administrator of the system. So this was a quick demonstration of how we can escalate our privilege on our target machine.